me. Or me come to Jamaica, you know? No, sir. Me have to go find the way up there before he come. But how me go break the news to Bingy? How me go do a thing so me go buy 2 shots for him? I'm not even going to realize. Alright, here we go. Let me go and tell him. Bingy, what go on? Could they look for me, baby father? You look so hot this morning. I tell you. Anyway, Bingy, me I go foreign. For 2 weeks.
What do you mean you go foreign? Who will take care of it to them?
Bingy, you're one of the parents too. So please don't give me a hard time. Allow me to take this break. If you have any problem, call me. A matter of fact, don't call me. Cause you're not gonna get me. Cause me read it on the news say lightning flash and lick out the cell tower them are foreign and them are gonna be done for 2 weeks. So if you call me, you're not gonna get me. So just manage by your own and anything where you can do, you just Google it.
So you just decide to go foreign all of a sudden, so?
Bingy, I'm going shopping. I'm gonna shop for the kids them. I'm gonna shop for you. Cause you know, say you want some new clothes and some new shoes, some wallaby and things. Yeah man, December come and I want you and the kids them look bossy. So me go over there go buy some clothes.
Watch your luggages. Hold the handrail. Your attention, please. Please do not smoke.
This is your captain speaking. I hope you've enjoyed your flight. We'll be landing in the airport in just a few minutes.
Welcome to Orlando International Airport. How are you doing today? How long will you be staying in the U.S.?
I will be staying for 2 weeks. I'm going to be visiting some friends and families.
Here is your passport. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, ma'am.
Wow. You look beautiful, baby. How was your flight?
Oh, it was great, baby. But oh my God, I'm so starving. I didn't like the food on the plane. Can you please go and have some lunch? Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh my God. Babes, this place is so beautiful. Oh my God, you outdid yourself. Oh my God. But I thought we were going to go to your apartment.
No, love. We're on vacation. Why stay home? Wasn't that what you were doing in Jamaica?
Oh, what is this? Champagne? Strawberry? Whipped cream on cuff? Baby, am I under arrest? I love it.
Get over here with that sexy ass. Get on the bed, let me teach you a lesson.
I'm here to learn. I hope I get an A+ in this class. Let me dim the light.
Damn, baby. Take time. You're going to make me calm.
Oh God, baby. Squeeze me throat, baby. Baby, squeeze me throat. Jesus Christ. Me has mad at me. Me not go back to Jamaica. Why? Me not go back to Jamaica. Why? Me has mad at me. Baby. Baby. Baby, me a call.
Wagwan tickers with the heavenly bow.
What's up, baby? Can I come over tonight? You know how long I want Susie to catch trip?
No, you can't come tonight. I have the kids.
I am going to come when them asleep. Bingy, I am longing to spend some quality time with you. And we only have 2 weeks until the woman come back.
Babes, I get another call. My mother call me. I'll call you back, yeah? Hey, Keisha, my only choice. I was about to call you, you know.
Bingy, what time are you coming over? I know you can't resist this, because I'm not wearing anything.
Keisha, give me a second. Let me call her back. My mother call me. Ross, I want this to take up on myself. I wonder if them want a threesome.
I like to see you happy. You have such a beautiful smile.
Thanks, love. I enjoyed myself so much. I had so much fun. No, it's so sad it has to end. So sad I have to go back to Jamaica tomorrow. 2 week run off so fast. But it was so fun, baby. You mash up my world. May I tell you, you were great. You're good, you're good, you're good. But I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm not saying this long again.
So let's not waste a minute of today.
Natasha, wake up. Me no want it. But then wake up and see her, you know.
So man, I choose Susie I come home to them while you behave so.
So you want to stay in her bed until she come home?
Thanks for the time of my life, babes.